welcome back to BG Farms Adventures. Just come back from the vets, it's quite early to get some meds for my old dog who also got seen by the vet last night, and he's pulled around really well. He's nearly 16 years old now, 15, 16, so he's not doing bad. But this morning he's a lot brighter, so hopefully he's going to pull around and get a little longer with him. So I'm a little bit happy this morning because I was worried like mad yesterday. So just pulling down into the farmyard now, and we're going to go do our morning jobs. The tractor's gone out this morning to do more lucern, so I'll try and catch up with him on the video later as well. Catch you in a bit. Cloud in the sky. Just doing the headlands now, and this field's finished. Yeah, it was an early start, but we're all good, and the jobs are done, and it's time for a coffee.